Welcome to my balcony.
Are you looking to relocate to Kenya? Are you in Kenya and want to relocate to a different position and location in Nairobi, Kenya? Or are you just curious how much it costs to live in an apartment and a good estate here in Nairobi? I got you covered.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Denga. I do travel and lifestyle videos, and today I am excited to bring to you a highly requested video of the cost of living in Nairobi. I'm not going to break down the whole activities and the cost of living in this video because it's going to be a long one. So today I'm just going to be showing you cost of living like an apartment. If you have a family and you want to relocate here or maybe buy a house, how much it costs and all those stuff. So enjoy this video. I'm excited to take you through house tour and just show you, as I tell you, as I break down the cost of buying and the cost of renting this house. So let's get inside and see what we have. So actually, I forgot to mention, one, I'm here at the balcony. Actually guys, I don't know if you ever noticed when I'm doing like house tours and all those things, I'm always filled up with energy. So if you have a house and you want me to come and do a tour of it, please link me up. So this is one of the balcony, one of such a beautiful view and such luxurious building in front of us as well. All these are awaiting all of you to come and rent and come and just live here in this beautiful estate. So I'm just going to take you inside because you have this beautiful balcony as you have said. So I'm going to take you inside and let's see what we have. And now we have this big, like big sitting room. Actually, this is one of the big living rooms here in Kenya. Actually, if you're in Kenya and you've done some house hunting, you know that having space is such a big deal. So having such a big room is interesting, it's beautiful. Also, one thing apart from the space, I love the fact that it is like well colored, that you can come and design as you wish it to be. So that's something else that I love, and you can do all your things here. So in my head, I'm planning like this design of maybe I can make this the sitting room and that's the dining area. I don't know if it makes sense. Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, and then we have sockets, we have internet connections, and we have two electricity bulbs. Another interesting thing that I love about this house is the fact that it has such a big window, long elongated window, where lighting to me is very important because anytime I feel like I want to vlog or something, it's not like I'm relocating here, but I'm just saying, yeah, you need a house that has good lighting. And forgive me if you can hear echoes from my sound. I just had to do this drama activities with you guys. Let me take you to the kitchen. Come follow me. Now, before we go to the kitchen, this is the entry door. I know I didn't come from the balcony. This is the entry door. And when you talk about security, it's well secured, it's well guarded. Two doors. So let's go to the kitchen. Wow, this is a sufficient space. So let's do some planning. I'll put my cooker here, and of course we have all the spaces we ever need. Space, more space, and more space. So sink, so fridge here, cooker here. What else do we need in the kitchen? Utensils, and you're good to go. One more interesting thing is the fact that we have another balcony in this building, and for the price, I think it's pretty interesting. So come with me. So yeah, it's quarantine time, and coming here, you get to see the beauty of people's cars, you get to see the beauty of the estate, and just you can lay here and design your balcony and just have some good time. So yeah, but I think because we have this road, this balcony can also be used to hang clothes. I don't know, you can choose between all the balconies that you have. So let me take you to the rooms. Let's go see where people will sleep. It's a 3-bedroom house. Suppose I had not mentioned, but you can see it from the description or the thumbnail. So let's head there. So we are in this corridor which leads us to our bedroom. This is the sitting room, and then before we go to the bedroom, there's this room which is like the public, or let's say for everyone, where you can come and enjoy some bath. Combined, it's one thing, like the shower and washroom and a sink to wash your hands. I don't know, because it's quarantine, I should just wash my hands. And so let's go to the bedrooms. It's a 3-bedroom house and they're all like organized, and I love the fact that you can separate the bedrooms such that nobody has an idea what your rooms are. I don't know. Let's start with, no, let me hold it up. That is the master bedroom. I'm gonna hold it up for a second. So let's go to the other rooms. Come, follow me. This is one of the bedrooms. Definitely for me, thinking like the marriage as an individual, this is such a luxurious place to stay, because I don't need a 3-bedroom unless we are planning something in the future. But we have all the spaces that we need. Yeah, where you put your clothes, where you store your stuff, more storage, and it's not such a very big room, but it's sufficient for all your needs, considering it's a 3-bedroom. Yeah, so that's the difference. And guys, did I mention lighting? We need lighting, so we have enough lightings here, which I definitely love. And now overview of more beautiful houses. Let's go to room number 2. Okay, this is the second room. It's slightly bigger than the room we were in. I love it. It also has a window that brings in sufficient light so that you can draw your lightings, and you can draw your light whenever it's like during the day. It has more closets. Actually, I think this has more closets than the other room, which is bonus. Yeah. So without further ado, let's head over to room number 3, which is the master and suite. Voila! Room number 3. This is the master and suite, which I definitely has more features compared to the other rooms. Of course, you can see we have closets, we have all the lighting in this house, because we have the window, we have the door, and more closets. Yeah, so let me take you to the, what makes it an ensuite is the fact that it has a washroom inside, so let's go. Now, you have seen the master and suite. One more interesting thing with the master and suite is the fact that it has a balcony, which I'm a lover of balconies, by the way, guys, if you didn't know. And maybe that's why I am looking the door. Yeah. Welcome to my balcony.
After enjoying the long house tour and even possessing the balcony, the next question in mind, can we afford this house? How much does it cost? And how much are we going to pay in total if we decide to buy?
You may be wondering the cost of renting this house. It's a 3-bedroom house, as you have seen, and the cost of renting this house is 60,000 Kenya shillings, which is pretty affordable, which I find is a good rate for anyone who's living here, with all the space that you have seen, with water, electricity, internet, and all those things that you need for you to live. And did I mention about sufficient space, like sufficient parking area and all forms of security you're going to be received from this house? So definitely that is something interesting. You too can also buy the house, and the house costs 9 million. 9 million Kenya shillings for you to purchase the house. And finally, you got to have your own house. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you want to see me do another house tour, please let me know in the comment section. And definitely look forward to a cost of living video about everything, where I'll break down everything apart from just houses and give you options of other houses here in Kenya. If you liked it, please hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!